Yeah, so welcome to part 2 of the stream here. The Jimmy Carter effect, as I titled it here today. And looking at the sell-off that had taken place today, even though the stock market was closed in the morning of the death of former President Jimmy Carter today. They held the funeral service and all that. But because of that, the stock market was closed. But the fixed income markets were still trading. So you can pretty much see how that went. As futures, the S&P 500, Dow Jones, Russell 2000, the Nasdaq 100, all suffered tremendous sell-offs so far. So we have SPY down negative 0.31% currently. Dow Jones 0.22%. Russell negative 0.40%. And Nasdaq negative 0.41%. Dow Jones is trying to recover here. But I think the damage is pretty much done here, and a lot is going on. I mean, it's just I don't know. I just don't know. It's just a lot going on, and oh my goodness. Oh my God, it's just unbearable. Like I just can't. Wow. Man. Hello. Unbelievable. You got new fires getting started. Rapidly intensifying. Insane. This is going insane right now. And you're telling me that this is the reaction? The damage has been done. Plain and simple. Let's see. I'm just waiting for this to be released. Markets. AMC CEO Adam Aron now says he feels investors' pain. No way. Really? Let's read this article, shall we? Is Frankie Nez reputable? Huh. AMC CEO Adam Aaron now says he feels investors' pain following the stock's decline over the past 2 years, stating, "I understand that it hurts." Huh. On Tuesday, the CEO took it to X to share his pain with the shareholders on the stock's underperformance over the past few years, saying, "I believe I remain AMC's largest retail investor." He boasts and flaunts that he owns 722,820 AMC shares and will vest in 1.2 million more AMC shares within 26 months, many by March 2025. So I certainly feel and share in your pain as AMC's share price has fallen in 2023 and 2024. I understand that it hurts, the CEO stated. And of course, investors have flooded the comment section, raising questions on how to fix the problem. One user saying, "Why don't you buy some with your own cash?" And many have shared their rancor after failing to pull their money out despite all the warning signs. So that's frankienez.com. Crazy. Ugh. Long Beach. "19 minutes ago, somebody took a photo of the meat department at Vaughn's in Long Beach, California. 35 miles from the LA fires. It's empty." The guy asked the meat department guy why it's empty. It's never been like that. He said because they haven't had a delivery in 2 days because of the fires. Oh my God. Unreal. Wow. Incompetence indeed. Oh, Lord. 8:07 p.m. Hey, how come Long Beach is showing fire on this map now? It is literally just gonna like smoke the entire LA County. This is just unreal right now. Cerritos. Oh my God, for real? Like, oh, what the? Oh man, I can't believe that. Goodness. Huh. Trending now. A lot of crazy things happening in a short period of time. Everywhere. Unbelievable. And then this happens.
Alert. An evacuation warning, it looks like.
Yeah, my alert reads, this is an emergency message from the LA County Fire Department. An evacuation warning has been issued in your area.
Yeah.
Remain
This is what this looks like.
vigilant of any threats and be ready to evacuate. Gather loved ones, pets, and supplies. Continue to monitor local weather news and the webpage alertla.org for more information.
Yeah, so these alerts come, based on where you are.
It's like on my phone.
Yeah, and here we are in West LA, and we're getting an alert. We'll have to look into why.
Yeah.
It would not be from what we're talking about right here to the north.
Wow. So breaking all of LA County mistakenly sent evacuation warning, but was it a mistake? Only time can tell. What? This was back in 2022. Why? Oh my gosh. Let's see. Whoa. There's a fire at an electricity transformer in Fort Worth, Texas. That's systems in charge of Facebook data. Whoa, hold on. Thank you for sharing that. Let's see. Oh. Oh, wow. I didn't see this. 20 hours ago, this person, Nick Sorter, posted an electric substation exploded Fort Worth, Texas. Per local reports, emergency crews were currently working to contain the blaze. This comes mere hours before a large winter storm is set to roll through the area, putting a strain on the grid. What? You hear this? This comes mere hours before a large winter storm that had set to roll through the area, putting a strain on the grid. Before that storm could even happen, and then all of a sudden this happens. Meanwhile, the alert goes off and people's lives have already been lost. Homes,
¿Qué tú dices, honey?
all of that.
¿Qué tú dices? ¿Qué fue, honey? ¿Mm? ¿Qué tú dices?
Wow. Wow. Good Lord. Why does this look good? Trying to push up a little bit here now. See how long that lasts. What else is happening here? FOMC trending now.
Honey, ¿qué tú dices?
Preview of the next upcoming emergency FOMC meeting.
¿Qué tú dices, honey?
Wow.
¿Eh? ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue, honey?
What else?
Qué lindo. Qué cosa linda.
What else?
Sí. Sí.
Oh God.
Cállate tú.
West Hills area.
Fire.
Evacuations have just been ordered now, and specifically it's for Van Owen south to Burbank Boulevard and from County Lane Road east to East Valley Circle Drive. Eliana Moreno is a news chopper for Eliana. This one has exploded in the last few minutes.
It has, Kathy. We first spotted it when we were over Altadena looking at the Eaton fire, and then we looked towards the Palisades fire and realized that there was a second plume to the west of the Palisades fire. So we made our way over here, and by the time we arrived, the fire was already at 20 acres. It has since grown significantly with the potential for 1,000 acres here in the West Hills area, touching on Agora Hills as well, and possibly Calabasas as well. It's difficult to tell with all of the smoke just how far this fire has extended, but we're
Cállate.
Oh shoot, look what's in the picture here. Oh, that's interesting. Look what's in the thumbnail of this link here to this article.
Susana.
It says here Berkshire Hathaway Home Services California Properties. Wow, so Warren Buffett had some properties here burnt down. A Berkshire Hathaway office is left in smoldering ashes during the Palisade fire in the Palisade Village area of the Pacific Palisades. That was yesterday. Will Rogers house. You know what the speculation is, though, Lewis? Insurance stocks. A lot of people talking about Allstate, but again, it's just speculation there. What we got going on here? A big, here you go. You got that big spike that usually happens after 24-hour markets open. You got GME here popping up to 33.50 and then dropping back down to 32.60, 32.55. Let me see if I can look at this right here. Yeah, Allstate. Oh, actually, Allstate dropped too. Wow. So Allstate dropped 3.5% from the close at 191 to a low of 183. Let's see. Because I'm curious. I'm actually curious to know. I'm trying to look here. Apply digital down. MicroStrategy down. From an after hour close of 335 now down to whoa. What is this? Sorry about that, Lewis, but look at that. What on earth happened there? Huh? 311. Let's see, where did this take place? 335, 310, the 312.80, $300.11, 24 shares order there, then up to back to 325. Wow. What was that all about, huh? What was that all about? Oh, hello. Why is the market halted? Yeah, well, because he wanted to celebrate somebody's death who was a president. I don't know. Beats me. What are... Huh. Publicly traded insurance carrier companies. 5 life insurance stocks to watch amid a low interest rate environment. The Pacific Palisades Inferno won't engulf the insurance industry. 7 insurance stocks to buy for income and growth. October 18, 2024. How are you doing, Ocelot of all Gislets? Son of a biscuit. Oh my god. Oh, Prudential, AIG, Travelers, Chubb, Cincinnati Financial Corp, First American Financial Corp, Aflac. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at Aflac. Aflac down and then back up again. Oh god, that's hilarious. Oh, was this really? No, this was after hours. So there's no volume for this one here. Pru. Let's look at Pru. Prudential.
Hey, honey.
No volume.
Cállate tú.
No volume so far. AIG. AIG, American Intel International Group.
No se dejen quitar
No
su
volume.
cosa.
For some reason, there was huge buys here in the aftermarket hours on uh,
Dame un chavo.
on Wednesday.
Chavo. Ya. Come on. Ay, otra.
Very interesting. If for some reason, IONQ is popping off. If IONQ is popping off, what about QBT? No. QBTS? No. What was the other one? I forgot what the other one was. But yeah, for some reason, this one is actually popping off. It jumped from 32 to 37 in 10 minutes. Dropped down. Spiked back up to 36, dropped down. Consolidating. They're really trying to push quantum back up. I wonder why that's the case. I really wonder why. Lucid is up to 2%, back over 3. Bionano is actually. Wait, hold on. Oh no, that was okay. That doesn't have. Okay, that doesn't have overnight trading hours. What else? SD's down. Fly Digital's down. GME is down a little bit here. Goodness gracious. Oh Lord. I love you. I love you.
Tumba la azul. Ya. Me va a quitar la brilla. Me va a dejar quitar.
So yeah, the markets all red for now. It's all red. Okay. Wait, what is Hang Seng doing? Asian markets. Gross. Why is that up? Why is that up? That's weird.
Quisiera yo.
Turn it down.
Quisiera yo.
Yikes.
Toma. Empata, se fue.
Huh.
Empátala. Ay,
Wow.
ese mismo. Coño.
Tesla with the dip
Vamos a ver.
and then the rip up.
Ay, coño.
So it dropped from 392, 93 to 390. Then go back up to 398. Wow, it's trying to reach 400. Wow. Oh no. What? Wow. Right? Oh man, that's you? That's you turning that on? Oh boy. Oh man. No wonder she's getting started. Copper. Copper is actually up. Well, this is Global X Copper Miners ETF. Took a bit, a little jump there. Huh. Let's take a look at precious metals right now. Silver. Okay, hold on. Silver. Silver did try to jump up too. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Huh. I have a feeling about silver. It could be on the verge. That's what I think. It could be very possible. That depends if... Oh, the dollar index here trying to bounce back up. Okay. That's what's going on. It was as high as 109. 109. Oh, that was this morning. 109.53. Where? Can't even see it. Come on. Wow.
Maybe Mexico.
Oh boy. Oh.
Mira, yo no le estoy diciendo nada y es él, mira. Hello. Sí, pero llámala.
Oh.
Tú la llamaste esta noche, ¿verdad?
Oh man.
Tal vez
This is crazy.
Tal vez se quedó dormido. Yo hablé, si yo la llamé. Oye. Yo la llamé antes de las 7. A las 6. Ella está un chin mejor.
Oh my God.
Que le duele de que todo.
Unbelievable.
Como los músculos de la...
Ah. What?
Que tenga mucho cuidado de que muchas de los animales
Wow.
enseñaron uno de esos vacunas de que están dando positivo de que a las radios, que la gente tenga cuidado, que no se ha mordido por uno de esos.
ridiculous. Oh no. Look, we got an Adam Aaron tweet just 13 minutes ago. America loves AMC's We Make Movies Better ad campaign featuring Nicole Kidman. For years, we very proudly have played one of 4 of Nicole's ad spots before every AMC movie screening except movies starring Nicole Kidman herself. No one seems to remember why we made that exception. And it says here, and we got numerous inquiries why such an ad was not playing before Nicole's new, delicious, spicy, and daring movie, Baby Girl. Problem solved. We have made arrangements to show an iconic Nicole Kidman commercial before all movies at AMC, including starting tomorrow, Baby Girl. The image says, somehow heartbreak feels good in a place like this. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, this is insane. What are we hearing here? Can we crash now? Can we get the Jimmy Carter effect commencing now? Yeah. Oh my gosh. They're literally just. Oh boy. It's getting bad. I'm telling you. It's getting bad. What else? What else is new?
Governor, I live here, Governor. That was my daughter's school. Please tell me what you're gonna do. I promise.
I'm literally talking right now for you and your daughter.
This clip will be the final nail in the failed career of Governor again. Mark my words. Yes. Whoa. What? What?
How are they throwing gas in there?
The fuck?
Oh.
Me, nigga.
Really? What a freaking idiot. Nobody's gonna follow your dumb ass. So stupid. That just pissed me off. And look what we got going on now. We got looting going on too. And we got another fire getting started over there. Like, come on now.
We're fighting still, and we're stretched out as far as aircraft go. I'd be glad to see something arrive, but yeah, looks like something's coming in there. Maybe it's LA City, but
Yeah, LA City.
there we are. Yeah, there's a Hawk. So
Good shot.
yeah, that's also more
Nice draw.
powerful aircraft. So we're fighting.
Wow. Oh no. R.I.P. Chewie? What is this now? Oh, okay, it's a dog. I thought it was the stock Chewie. I was about to say like, wait, what? That had me a little bit confused there. Oh my god, there's a lot of tinfoil stuff here that can't even show here.
Puta. Oh my God. Sí. Claro, con trampa. Con trampa.
Oh
Ajá.
god.
Y entonces, ¿qué fue lo que pasó? Porque estaba supuesto, era Susana y esta Guajardo a tirar. Y esta yo creo que se hizo para que el del bien,
Oh wow.
para que el del bien siguiera tirando. Eso fue estrategia de ellos,
So now you got
para que tú lo sepas.
certain people deployed to like create arson and burn stuff. What the hell? I once had a dream that I was as salacious as Zully. Oh boy. The Malibu waterfront, one of the most expensive properties in the United States, has largely disappeared.
Tramposo, coño.
And you're near water.
Eso fue trampa que hicieron ahí.
And the trees are still kind of intact, huh?
¿Cómo apareció
How about that?
Cintrón tirando
Ugh.
cuando era Guajardo?
Let's see this.
No hagan nada de la trampa que hicieron.
I can't even. So anyways.
Mira, mira.
Whew. Oh, you see latest. Here's the latest. Quantum computing stocks rallied in overnight trading. D-Wave CEO rebutted Jensen Huang's comment on quantum computing technology as dead wrong before. Oh, shots fired. Jensen Huang short trade quantum computing for dead sure. Saying it's dead. Huh. What is JBDI? Let's see what that stock is all about. JBDI Holdings, 77 cents. Wow.
¿Quién fue eso?
Spies rejecting off of 5,932.
Bájasela abajo.
What else?
Oh, shit.
Where's Spaghetti at? Huh?
Cuando yo te diga,
IONQ
espérala abajo para que no
looks
se
like
lo-
it's
se lo arriba.
wanting to recover here and blow its top off. I wonder how that would look like tomorrow. Ooh, sweet baby Jesus. UVXY.
Déjame ver qué yo lo
Oh my goodness.
Sí.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Chris, you're having bad signal where you are? Do you usually have bad signal in that area of New York? My thing shows 5 bars. Oh, welcome back, Kenneth. Good evening. Um, we're just gonna hang tight here for a little bit. I'm not gonna be streaming for that long. I'm surprised that I did not crash out um, a few hours before, but I just wanted to see what futures were gonna be. Futures what was going to look like here. Um, how was the rest of your work? Cajun shrimp. Oh my gosh. Uh, that looks really good. I already ate, so I can't get hungry again. Um, hold on. Uh huh. Come on. I know you got it. I know you got it going on. I know you can do it. All it takes is one big fall. All it takes is one great fall. Trigger everything down. Right there. Still working, estimating some projects now. I am, yeah. I guess I'm doing another marathon. Could technically be being the 14, 15 hours. Oh, wow. Okay. Breaking Ripple transferred 300 million XRP worth $682,584,540 to an unknown wallet. Wow. What? This was just recently. 2 hours 17 minutes ago. January 9th, 2016-01. Wow. Look at this. Roswell, New Mexico, record level flooding never seen before in this area. They are on a mission to as many of us as humanly possible before Trump takes office. I feel a stock market collapse is coming. What on earth is going on? Oh Lord. Woof. Uh-oh. When bankruptcy looms? 8 hours ago? FAFO. investigated AMC transactions with Mudrick and Hycroft. We recently received metadata and 20 pages of records that show AMC Entertainment was involved in an undisclosed 2022-2023 SEC investigation into transactions between itself, Mudrick Capital, and Hycroft Mining that were atypical relative to the company's business and history. Oh, shoot. Oh, dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Let me see. Let's see. What the heck? Oh, no. I can't. Let's see. So dinosaur. I think it's the one. It's probably the one in Harlem. I've been in that one time. I've been there once. They had. Oh my god, the ribs were so freaking good. The it was just massive at that point. Yeah, so yeah, look at this, huh? This is what happens, right? They take advantage of a disaster such as this. Yeah, let's go ahead and yeah, let's take all of these. Yeah, crazy. Whoa, no.
No me le dé el número mío de teléfono nunca, porque a mí no. No, yo no. Yo hablo con ella, nice, la hago reír, relajo con ella, pero así no. Para que me venga a joder a mí. Yo no. No, porque eso nada más no, mijita.
I gotta see this later. Yeah, it's like they don't even care.
Sí, mira, sí, es mejor que no esté tan.
What? Wow. What? Squeeze? It's been a long time since this gem has hit our coolers, and it tastes like an absolutely glorious citrus bomb. It's so good. What? What is this? Ay. Wow. Wow. Crazy. That's cool though. You got a portable Starlink. Whoa. I don't take Starlink everywhere, only
Claro que sí que hablan.
when I go. Oh, okay. Got it.
Porque tú lo sepas.
So let me go ahead and
Porque tú lo sepas que sí que puede. Toma, Susanita.
all right, that's
No se me dejen sentenciar una, que ya le ganaron la villa. Ya. No, le falta una. Toma, Susana. Ay, coño.
huh.
Así mismo. Coño, ahí mismo.
It's gonna be interesting.
Ojalá que no se dejen sentenciar.
All right.
Por sentencia para una mujer.
Okay, let's
No, todavía cuando ganen. Cuando ganen.
let's see what's going on now. What's going on now with MicroStrategy is a little bit down there. Nvidia also down. Wait, hold on. What? Okay. Okay. Come on, man. This came down as far as 585.99. GameStop is down, and now just barcoding at 32.60. Global. Okay, yeah, this is okay. We've seen that already. What else is moving? Veer Technology, Next Gen Energies. Lowe's. Lowe's is up. No. Okay, just a little bit. Wow. Futures opened at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. It was literally at. There was a point where I felt like futures in the indices were going to start collapsing here. It looks like they're desperate to keep this afloat and hold it up. But this whole drop here. I mean, you're talking about wow, a negative 0.55% drop there. Imagine if this would have continued going down. I mean, let's see how this looks like on the 69-minute chart. You can definitely see here the 200 moving average, the 50, and then the 20. And the fact that this took a smooth turnaround away from the 200 and the 50, now sliding back down. And I feel like since this is the case, and the 20 MA is still declining or sloping down, my guess is that we would see this start to also diverge and see more downside for SPY. Then you have Russell 2000 here, just about to make that death cross right here. Literally is just touching each other here. The 50 on the 200 to cross below. Right within the next 23 minutes here. Then you have okay, that's I think that was Nasdaq. Then the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones did a similar turn here. away from the 200. Here it's just still trying to stay down from here. It's weak. Weak as hell. Wow. So even if Hang Seng opened up a little bit high, it still managed to sell off very, very greatly. Look at these 5-minute candles here. Literally bull trapped. Hang Seng bull trapping, and now it's starting to show some signs of collapsing. You're welcome, Zelly. Do you see a GME boning to 37 tomorrow? Only if there's a tweet. Then there would be some type of move to the upside. The real fun won't start until we see everything collapse. I mean, that's pretty much the speculation, right? We would need to see overall markets indices start to collapse. We don't know exactly when that would happen, how it's going to happen. I mean, we do see the signs clearly. So my guess is as good as yours as to when this is all going to take place. I actually found out that Honey is indeed a boy. Honey is a boy. So we're calling a male bird Honey. I found out yesterday. Because my cousin sent the video of the mother of Honey feeding Honey. So yeah, GME is code for honey and a brick of styrofoam. Good lord. Oh shoot. Yes. I love it. Turn it back around. Did you find by giving or receiving? No, I find by receiving. The giving comes after, and it comes in double. I give back double, but you give me, and you receive double. Say word. And now you see futures. Yeah. And now you see a little bit rejection. The price action moving away from the 50-day moving average on all indices right now as we speak. Clearly showing the signs of weakness here. This little temporary uptrend here was weak. Nothing burger. This market is just done. In my opinion, is done. Over with. Say hello to new day lows tomorrow for all indices. And perhaps a nasty drop that
maquillado,
anyone's ever seen
quizá como medio,
in ages,
ese es lo que
in a
hago.
long time.
Ese dice 100, 50 de kilo.
Not financial advice. I heard Lucky was ill. If that's the case, then that's very unfortunate to heal. I mean to hear because
Olvídalo, contar todo eso.
Lucky is old.
Ya, no me digas que esto es rojo.
Lucky is of age already, and
Wow.
and it's sad to see that
Ay,
dogs that
madre mía, le
their
comieron
age
el
go
piquito
through
y
lots
se
of
lo están
problems and
comiendo. Ay, no, 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 mira eso.
I sure wish that wasn't the case, but
Sí,
I really hope that there's a way
ay, no, no,
that he
no.
gets better.
Usted se ha vuelto un come mierda también. Ustedes llegaron
With respect
muy come mierda.
towards William, I really
Mira, eso como ellos se dejan,
don't like to hear things like that, but I really hope that he gets better.
y no están haciendo nada, pendejo.
So let's see what happens.
Sí,
Yeah.
sí. Mete caña. Si ustedes comenzaron bien, se están dejando joder otra vez. Pendejo. Pues sí. Sí, porque ya pelearon, ya se dejaron quitar la villa otra vez. Wow, qué película esa. Es en el cine que van a dar esa película. Que están anunciando en la 47. Uf, man. El hombre del lobo.
Um. Trying to find out something here. Who's down the most? Oh,
Ellos llevaron ya.
the financial sector,
Ahora en Messi también.
the financial select sector, down 0.19%.
Y vi que tienen de otra joyería, de otra.
Carnival down.
De otro personal ahí. Están metiendo cosas. Eso de no que renta
Bank of America is down a little
el
bit.
espacio. Porque la mayoría que están ahí son chinos.
Huh, I wonder.
Me la mandó yo vi una
I
muchacha
wonder,
hispana.
I wonder, I wonder. Bank of America.
Hispana también. Y más para estos tiempos como de holiday,
Neo's
así,
down.
Navidad, cosas así. Ajá, para esos tiempos
Um,
van y mandan de otro mes. Pues sí, eso es bueno, que la persona vaya para que huela su coso.
hmm.
Huela
Oh,
su,
oh.
los cosos que están ahí, la gente lo abre, los perfumes, que están cerrados. Hay gente que se lo han abierto.
Pan America Silver.
Ellos dejaron unos cuantos abiertos.
Okay.
Sí, porque si lo dejan abierto, yo.
Pass Silver. Pass. Pan American Silver.
Sí, porque ellos hay mucho, la gente va y lo huele.
I'll be right back. Use the bathroom real quick. No, I didn't. Yeah, right. No, I didn't. 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 No, I didn't.
Y no será de la misma garganta.
Okay. Let's see what's going on. Come on, NASDAQ, fall. Fall all the way down, down. Yeah, we're going down all the way down. Down, 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 down. We're going down all the way. We're going down all the way down, down, all the way down, down. Down, 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 down. James, good evening. Good evening, good sir. Welcome back once again to the Lion's Den with yours truly, Lion of all trades. There has been a lot of chatter on QBTS. You've seen. It seems to me that somebody spoke up against the CEO of NVIDIA's remarks on quantum computing. And here is why. Here is why. I'm going to show you why. Let me see if I can actually find. Let me go ahead and pull the article here. IO and Q. Let's see if I can find it. There's gotta be. Hold on. That was a QBT. Computing. I was just reading it too. I was just reading it. But yeah, IONQ jumped up 10%. See it here? When overnight trading hours opened, here dropped to $30.50. Then all of a sudden surged up to $37. Came back down to $32.97. Went back up to $36. Coming back down to 33 and change, and then just consolidating. Let me see if there's anything in regards to news. I was reading something earlier. I forgot where I was reading it from. But I know one of the CEOs from these companies spoke up. Oh, okay. Where is it? Oh, okay. Wait. It was on my phone. It was on my phone. Okay, here. So, I'll just read it off the phone. I got it from Mumu. Saying quantum computing stocks rallied in overnight trading hours. D-Wave. Oh, it was D-Wave CEO. So yeah, QBTS. It was QBTS. D-Wave Quantum. Wow, you can literally see it from here. It was just at the brink of breaking out towards the end of aftermarket hours. But yeah, quantum computing stocks rallied in overnight trading. D-Wave CEO rebutted Jensen Huang's comments on quantum computing technology as dead wrong before. Dead wrong. That was as of 30 minutes ago. So because of that remark, somehow got you got quantum computing rallying again, or possibly about to rally tomorrow. So I mean, you had QBTS here at a high of 1141, while quantum computing was uptrending. Then you had IONQ, which was at a high of 5474 before the massive drop to 2592, and now up back to 3312. Then you have QUBT, quantum computing, which had gone up to as high as 2715 as of the 18th of December, and actually took a bounce here on the. It took the bounce off the 200-day period moving average, which looks like it could witness a potential reversal and a recovery. So we don't know if that's going to be the case scenario for tomorrow morning. But if that's the case, then you probably see this surge back up to probably 13. If not, then more downside. And then what was the other one? QBT, QBTS, RGTI. So you already know RGTI tanked so hard from 21.42 all the way down to $9, and then came back up to 10.33. It's holding up right there. See these massive block orders. So, yes, yeah, what? IONQ, I'm not familiar with. Yeah, so that was pretty much all the stocks involved in quantum computing the quantum computing sector. Why? I'm not even gonna ask. I'm not even gonna ask why futures is trying to recover. So it better reject now and sell the F off. That would have been a great play playing puts. Imagine that, right? Just as soon as you see the first 4-hour candle bearish. Well, I mean, let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour, as soon as you see the pullback and then just the consolidation, as soon as you see it's having a hard time trying to break out, then you already know it's like, okay, well, looks like it's probably time for puts. Those puts, I tell you, when you look at it, when you look at puts and how much it ran, look at that. You have the $13 puts expiring tomorrow. Yesterday ran up to 10,200%. Then you have the 12.5 at 5,100%. If you look at this, the January 17 contracts, as high as 9,400% for the $9 strike contracts, and you see pretty much even as low as the $5 strike. No, as a matter of fact, the $6 strike puts had gone up 800%. You can imagine that. You can imagine that. Oh. Wow, okay.
I'm a big kid now.
Oh my god. My head hurts Fred Sanford heart attack stuff right there.
Eso, qué bueno que no ha cogido frío entonces. Cuando viniste enfermo. Oye,
Yeah, see, that's, oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be a problem.
eso a veces se queda
Spy
calladito
down.
cuando viene para hablar.
Let's see. No. No, no, no. He was doing so good down there before. No. Goodness gracious. You know? You know? Like,
Así fue cuando se ponía a decir, una vez que yo dije, Dios mío, comenzó a decir esa palabra, pero no la he vuelto a repetir.
so let's all pray and manifest
Que Dios me dijo de que
for the downfall of markets, for the SPY falls below 585 and reclaims 580 and probably 560. This is what we want. Have you ever taken a look at Fubo? Look at Fubo after this massive comeback here. 1, 2, 3, like I showed you yesterday. This is sick here. So imagining how puts would look like here if you would have entered at this entry right under $6.10 for a $5 put for next week. This thing looks like it's about to come back down to 450, if not 435. Nasty. The theta kill then dump on Monday. That was a great thing you did, because you know, obviously with such a huge rally like that, you already know at some point it had to exhaust itself and then pull back. You got to write that in your accomplishments book, because that was a really big secure the bag moment for you, and the fact that you made off with that much amount of gains. So be proud. Secure the bag, STB. Secure the bag, STB. Seguro la bolsa. Seguro la bolsa. Oh my goodness. Secure the bag, yeah. Secure the bag. The nadas. The nada. The nadas. Woo. Got him. Got him. Da da do 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 do. Ooh, 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 ooh. So, yeah, yeah. There was too much, too much, too much. Adadi, adadi, adadi. Adadi, adadi, da 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 da. Mi español es muy mal. Mi español es muy malo. At times my Spanish ain't too good. And I always wonder why. Cause I'm too lazy to use it. I don't wanna use it now. Come on. Futures decline ahead of key jobs report. Well then, I saw a flash. Fed officials take cautious approach to further rate cuts as late January FOMC nears. Oh yeah, I was reading that before. Damn. What to do? Ba la 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 la. Ba la 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 la. Oh. I didn't even realize it actually fell down to 392. This is barcoding. 392. 394. Okay. Oh no. GameStop, why? I'm actually wondering what Hollow is gonna do. Hollow with this incredible surge after hours yesterday, from 211 all the way as high as 310, before taking a little dip, before another rip, and then a bigger dip, and then an uptrend. So I wonder what's happening now with Hollow. What is going on with Hollow? I need to find out. So yeah, GME right now is, again, it's down negative 1.37%. It went down as low as 32.50. Now it's at 32.58. My voice is getting hoarse. Jeez. You're in Hollow? When did you get into Hollow? You got into Hollow yesterday? Or did you manage to Did you manage to average down in your position? I mean, who would have saw that coming? For real. I mean, thinking that it was gonna actually continue to sell off all the way down here to this part here. Oh, your shares, okay. Oh, you're welcome, Zelly. My bird is telling me to shut up in Spanish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm sure you're proud of yourself for that. You. Two. Oh wow. $2.77 average. Well, you're up now. Well, at the close of after hours yesterday, you're up over your average. Plug. Oh, plug. I completely forgot that plug was trading on the overnight hours. It actually pulled back a little bit, negative 3.75% to $2.57 right now. I mean, there hasn't been any serious volume as of right now, and nothing coming in crazy. So, what about Groupon? Did I look into Groupon here? Wait, I think Groupon is part of... No, is it? No, it's not. Okay, it's not part of it. It's not part of it. I thought it was. I always wonder what my bird is doing. Oh my gosh. Let's go back to Twitter. Ugh. More trending. TradingView doesn't do. TradingView doesn't do 24 hours for regular stocks, unfortunately. They should be doing that. They should be doing that. Unless you gotta pay for a feature that I don't know about. But yeah. As of right now, GME 32.58. 32.96 was the close on Friday. You're seeing the price action live right now on Webull. Looking at this sanity here. Huh. Man. What's that moving? Okay. 203. What the heck is Lemonade? Lemonade Incorporated? Never heard of that before. Yeah, they should add that feature to TradingView. I don't know why they haven't. And they should be able to have, you know, the technology to do that and integrate the 24-hour markets to TradingView, just like futures, and how we're allowed to see futures trade the 24 hours. Crypto, you know, that too. After close, then Monday pop. Yes. I would definitely be excited to see that. I just don't. Yeah, it's just not available from what I've seen. From what I see. Let me look it up real quick. Let me just look it up. Yeah. I can't believe this. It's already been 2 years since they had introduced the 24-hour markets on Robinhood. But yeah, it's just regular extended hours. It's just not available. It sucks. I'm just wondering as to like when they're gonna integrate that into the trading, because I know it will help a lot of people. You know. What's trending right now? Unbelievable. Mexico City. What's happening in Mexico City? Oh shoot. Oh damn, okay. Oh, that's what happened, huh? Okay. There's a lot going on all over the place. If nothing crazy happens before 10 o'clock, then I'm gonna call the stream. I'm gonna call it a night. I mean, I do want to go and overview. If anything, hold on. I'm gonna switch layouts actually. Oh shoot, fishy. What's going on? Yes, roar, fishy, roar. Dude, what is happening, man? No, I actually never. I was never. Can't even talk. Yeah, I was actually planning to have all of us go on a voice chat on Sunday, but I forgot that I usually have people over the house on Sunday, so like I probably would have to do it some. I probably would have to do it some other time soon. But yeah, I'm just trying to find the perfect time. Cause right now it's a lot going on. It's out of whack. Yeah, trying to figure things out. So, and I would love to do it. I want to do it because I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun. But we're just gonna have to wait for a little bit longer. So my apologies on that. You know, try it now. You want me to try it now? Wait, you guys really want me to try it right now? Just for a little bit? That's gonna be interesting. T, what? Testing? You're actually testing right now? Yeah. Testing 1, 2, 3, like TMI says. Oh, the masked investor. Shout out to him. Shout out to the masked investor. Yeah. No pressure, no pressure. Da, 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 do, do. Shout out to TMI. Shout out to the masked investor. The airwaves, not the airwives. Let's see. Let's. Oh, I see it. I see it. Woo. Woo. Oh boy. Wait, Fishy, did you actually go in there and test? That means you're gonna hear double. Who I watch on YouTube? Oh, who I used to watch. I remember yeah, it's open. It's open. It's on the
Testing 1, 2, 3, coming in from the airways, not the airwise.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Coming from the airwaves, not the airwaves. Oh boy, what's up, James? Oh shoot. Good to hear you. Good to hear you on there. Oh, Michael Anthony. Welcome back. Welcome back. He just gets straight to the point, Michael. Getting straight to the point with the stocks. Say word. Oh no. You don't sound like yourself there? Pretty sure it sounds pretty cool. Let's see. Huh. Oh my god, another brownout. Jeez. Listo for the challenge? So, oh right, so to answer your question. Oh, thanks, James. So to answer your question, I used to watch, well, in the beginning of getting into the stock market, I used to get into watching trades. Actually, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I used to watch Keenan Grace. He was one of my first YouTubers to watch. And then trades. And then I started seeing Boss Blunt after a while. Then I started seeing other YouTubers pop up left and right. So I did see some masked investor. Who else? Matt Kors, yeah, a little bit, but I had leaned more towards the trades than Matt Kors at that time. CSI, it was just a little bit. I actually was in Keenan's Discord early on, and now I'm not and I'm not there anymore. It's been like a few years. Who else? Who else did I watch live? I used to watch Review Dork. I used to watch a little bit. Then I stopped watching him, because of the whole Coca-Cola and exotic, Coca-Cola and escorts. Short the VIX. Wow. STV? Short the VIX. Okay, STV. That's Gabe, yeah. Review Dork is Gabe, yeah. Oh, IPO market, yeah. You keep telling me about the IPO market. I did add him. I did subscribe to him when you told me about it. I should still have him on there. IPO Market Watch. Yeah, I have him subscribed right now. He sure loves IPOs, huh? Oh, why I stand by Rocket Lab? Oh, 4 months ago. That was his featured video there. There is a dollar stock that he's buying. High growth ahead, in his opinion. Not financial advice. Let's see what stock is he. Let's see what stock he's talking about. Oh, USIO. Okay, that's the one that you were talking about, huh, Fishy? USIO. Well, USIO was at 168 when he mentioned it. 161, and it went up. Let's see. USIO. Yeah, this thing was jumping before he mentioned about it. It was, oh, I mean, look at that. It was at a low of 124, the 52-week low. 124 went as high as 292. That's crazy. It picked up a lot of volume for sure after that video. The average volume would be usually around 427.24K, and the volume for that day on Wednesday was at 1.61 million shares traded. So that's how you know the thing went bananas. Shares float was 17.33. Same day, man. That's crazy. How I jump on though? Yeah, you go to the Discord, and then you go down to the listen where it says "Hear Us Roar." Right here, and then you just click on it, and then it automatically brings you in it. It gets you automatically in the call. Let's go ahead and see. Matter of fact, I need to check something here. Give me 1 second. I already have one though. I'm gonna transition my screen. What that bit? Hey, hold up, bit. If you type in USIO. Oh no, it was never mentioned on Discord, but it was mentioned on the stream yesterday. Fishy had posted it yesterday. If I go, for example, here I'll show you real quick. If I go, oh wait a minute, no, I could just go here, click on Fishy's name, go to channel activity, then go in here, and then you can see it right here. He says Gary, sup professor, and then Fishy says IPO Market Watch did a video on this one at 160. It ran to over $1 that day. What's up, fam? I got new one. USIO 46 million cap, made 80 mil. CEO expects 2025 to be the best year yet. 100% gainer. I like channel activities. You can literally find past conversations with anybody here. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, that was yesterday.
How exciting!
You don't see it? What you mean you don't see it? There's no way. Oh my god. What is going on here? You know what? I'll do this. Oh, I'll do set status? No. Where you at? You're not stupid, bro. What you talking about? Don't say that. Oh wait, here we go. Member. Yeah, you're on do not disturb mode. Oh, you need VIP role. What is this? How did you not have VIP role, Fishy? That's crazy. Lakota? Lakota. I remember. Like I remember there was a way to like move somebody onto a server. I don't know if it was on Discord or if it was something else. I forgot. But literally, like on the side here, like you should be able to see it. Like for real. Just go to voice channels. See, I'm done. Just can't work a computer. No, bro, it's like literally right there. You know how you usually like look for charting, chat. You know where you were typing at in chat. You literally gotta scroll down all the way. You gotta scroll right and you're gonna see it there. Come on, Fishy, you got this. Yeah, there you go. Correct yourself. You're not stupid. Anywho, let's see how this looks like on the 4 hour. Woo! 4 hour looks gnarly.
Lion.
See, there he goes. There he goes. Hold on.
Lion. Yo, can you hear me, Big D?
Yo, I can hear you, bro. It's just you're gonna hear it double, cause I'm talking on both the stream and Discord. Yo, yo. Sorry, Mom.
That's right, G was cracking, carnal.
Concha, no puedo estar haciendo mucho ruido aquí porque me regañan.
Pero no sabe, es too much on mi español, es muy malo.
I'm a no stop también, bro. I can't speak no Spanish.
What? Who's not allowing you to speak Spanish in your house?
I traveled construction. Nobody here in my house knows how to speak Spanish, but I did construction jobs for about 8 or 10 years.
8 or 10 years, you've been surrounded by a lot of Spanish working dudes. That's how you learn.
Yeah, I took it way back, like 20 years ago in high school, and that was probably the best class I ever had out of all my high school years. And then, yeah, after that, I went traveling. I did jobs in New Mexico, Texas, South Texas, Laredo. I even went across the border a couple times, and hell, it really helped me go far, really.
Nice, very nice. Shoot, man. I mean, it kind of paid off because I can at least understand what you're saying.
Shit, I'm glad because hell, half time I don't even know what I'm saying. I know just enough to be dangerous, bro.
Oh man, that's awesome, man. Oh, fishy. Glad to hear you on here. Glad that you finally were able to find the voice. And I also appreciate you too, James, for hopping on here. I literally was like thinking, coño, man, like, am I really gonna be able to pull this off on Sunday? But then, like I said, I got family over, and it just gets loud, like a Spanish family always sounds like, and I won't be able to concentrate.
Oh, I know how that is, man. That really is. It's just turmoil and chaos here at my house half the time. I just got to barricade myself in my room sometimes. But yeah, man. Hey, I want to help you help your channel grow. If we could come up with some ideas or something like that, I'd be glad to share your channel with my friends. I got a lot of friends on Facebook and other places. I don't know how many we could draw in, but I'm sure some would show up.
And that is appreciated. Like, that means a lot. And it's at first when I started doing this, I was just taking it casually, like, but overall it's just a fun experience. For me, it's not only just talking about stocks and whatnot. It's just being able to connect with a lot of people on here, including you and Fishy and Zelly and Eric and everybody else. Um, which is pretty darn cool. And I never even imagined doing this for a long time, but here we are, and here I am providing this type of content to you guys, and to be able to learn stocks together, and witness plays left and right, great call outs by yourself, Fishy, especially with countless tickers that he had brought into the channel, just like USIO yesterday, and Rocket Labs. I mean, Rocket Labs was pretty much his biggest ticker call out, and look how well that's been going. That Rocket Labs, my goodness, what a great stock. What a great American stock. Rocket Labs going to the moon like a rocket, a great rocket, American rocket at that as well. You cannot compare at all. Lion
Man,
says it. The
I'm
Don says it.
I'm over here dying, man. That's yeah, I love it, man. I love it. Hey, thanks for having me. I'm glad to be a part of this community. There's a lot of chill vibes here, a lot of good vibes. I've been on a lot of other discords, and like we were talking about other discord. A lot of vileness and gibberish going on there, and it's all fun and games. But whenever it's just constantly like that, I'm not I don't do that so much.
Yeah, I've been in a couple of them too as well myself, and sometimes if you don't have the right people in there, the right moderators, and you just let in a whole bunch of people that you don't even know like what they're going to bring, uh, things could get out of control, and if you don't have control of that, then you might as well have a failing Discord server. Uh, why else run it if you can't have a hold of what's happening, and that's all it is. As long as everybody's respectful, that everyone is chill, everybody has that same frequency, energy, vibes going on there. That's what truly matters, and as well as being able to learn from each other and create something that's overall positive and that's going to be able to help somebody. And I mean somebody that is actually going through a rough time. For example, if they're going through tough economic hardships, we could potentially change that for that person. So that's what it's all about. And I appreciate you sharing those words because that means a lot, and I'm pretty sure we all together can do that. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to all of us doing that this new year and seeing how well it goes. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the kind words. I would throw myself in that category. I'm just a poor hillbilly here in Alabama, on the real. Uh, I hope I didn't run off Fishy. I noticed he's not in here no more. At least he's not popping up on my screen. I hope I didn't offend him with what I said or something.
No, not at all, not at all. He's back in the stream chat right now. He said, "My bad, G. My personal computer died." And he's talking about Rocket Labs. James, that he can hear you, and he's like, "I love this community. It's tight, sharp group with the same goal in mind, and we're all learning from each other, and the growth is exponential." He said, "So that's awesome." And thanks to
Yeah,
Fishy
word,
too
word.
as well. Thanks
Yeah,
to
word,
Adrian
bro,
as well.
word.
Word.
Yeah,
Say word.
yeah. I don't want to hold you up from your stream. I know you still got it, and there's other people on there. I don't want to tie up all your
No,
time.
no, no, not at all, not at all. Feel free to be at your casa. You know what I'm saying? My casa's su casa, everybody's casa. You know. But yeah, that too. The fact that I do have to wrap things up a little bit later because I do need to go to work tomorrow and do my 9 to 5s and count the days as to when my last 9 to 5 day will come, and yeah, and then retirement. Here we go.
What, if you don't mind me asking, what kind of work do you do?
It's just I just do security at a bank, and I've been doing
Oh, I
that for a
hear you.
couple of years. But before that, I was doing retail for a majority of my time working. A couple of clothing stores. I did Starbucks for a couple of years, and then when the pandemic happened, all those stores were closing down, and then I just moved to essential jobs. So I had a connection, and I was right into a bank, and that was it. And I've been doing security for 4 years. Yeah, but it's just the fact that it's not as active. It's not. Um, it's just you feel like there's no connection, there's no social life, and just you're literally just standing there or sitting down and just wondering, oh man, when is this gonna end? When am I gonna go home? But
Oh
luckily,
no, I know the feeling. Yeah, I know the feeling.
yeah, and but luckily, the ladies in the bank are quite lovely. They're they're lenient to what I do, and the branch manager knows that I'm into the market, and I have money in the market. Her too as well, so she understands and she lets me get away with looking at the chat and trading at the same time. So I'm good
Right,
as long
right,
as I don't get in trouble. As long as I'm doing my thing, that's all that matters.
right, right,
Yeah.
right. I hear you. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely need to be more on point with the Discord and checking out where's calls being called out and stuff like that. If Fishy's making some banger plays there, I'd love to see him and follow along.
No, absolutely. And As we're talking, Kenneth, shout out to Kenneth. My God, thank you, Kenneth, for that gifted membership to Splendid Things. Splendid Things. I think we know who that is. I'm pretty sure he's from DZ. Splendid Things. So shout out to him. He just got gifted by Kenneth. Thank you, Kenneth, for the love and support to the stream and to the channel. And he's been a great person. Great person from Nova Scotia. How about that? Shout out to Kenneth. What is this? Adrian asks, what part of New York? No, it's one of the boroughs, Queens. Not too far from Manhattan, which they usually call New York City, but it's not too far from there. Just a train ride away, and that's it. If anything, because I did have a section for alerts. No, I still do. You guys can use the section if you want. If you have any alerts, I mean, that you, or any trade alerts that you witness or you going through right now, that you see that it's popping off. Whatever it is, go feel free and just use that section. We do also have the trading floor section too as well. You can use that too. I mean, it's still a work in progress, so I just need to kind of tweak a couple of things here and there, and then try to solidify the whole server and making it more easy and
user friendly. I got you.
Yeah. So I gotta really think about that during this weekend.
I wish I could help on that. I don't know what I could do, but there was something I could do.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure we could figure something out, and when I come up with that idea, then I'll let you all in on it and make it work.
I hear you.
Make it work and make it twerk. What?
Right. I did post on that bingo stock. I did post under charting. I threw some Fibonacci levels up on there, and aside from the first one I posted, so I wasn't even sure if that was even the right place to put it, but it's there.
It was great. It was a great. No, it's actually it was actually fantastic. I appreciate you sharing that. Charting, you know what? Doesn't matter. But the only thing I wish Discord could do is actually blow up the picture a lot more, because it looks so tiny on my screen when I try to
I had to zoom in with my fingers. I'm pinching it like the tweezers with my fingers, blowing it up.
Oh wait. So you was actually doing this on your phone?
Yeah, I got a laptop in front of me. I do my charting on, and I listen to Discord and follow your Discord all on my cell phone.
Oh wow. Oh, look at that.
And I listen to music over here on my iPad.
Okay. Yeah, wait. Yeah. Dang, man, that's awesome. That's the thing. I need to get back on that, man. Cause all year 2024, I was just literally putting out new tracks for my other channel and sharing it with everybody.
Oh, dude, drop it, and I'll follow it.
Yeah, for sure, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Let me flip back over to the screen where I can see what's happening here.
I'm just gonna save the image, because that way I can be able to open it and then blow it up and zoom in. Because I really can't even zoom it in on my desktop at all. So I gotta literally go on here and open it up.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'd love to see it. If I start the stream back, we'll get an echo in the video. But I'll cut you loose and I'll join back the video, and I'll wait to see it pop up somewhere, and I'll click it and I'll subscribe.
Absolutely, man, and it's always a pleasure. So thank you, James.
Hey, thank you, sir. I'm glad to be able to speak to you.
Thank you. Likewise, man. So see you on the stream. Big bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's awesome. That is awesome sauce. And shout out to James for joining me on the Discord voice chat, and Fishy. And that is a little preview of what's to come. I mean, when we get our own voice chat together later on, and we hop in onto having our conversations, and great vibes. So go looking out to James for that, and Fishy. We got it, and Zelly, thank you for sharing. That is the link to the music channel right there, Concrete Jungle City. Here is the page. Here we go. Need a break from the hustle? Let the chill vibes of Concrete Jungle City take you away. Perfect beats to study, relax, or just vibe out to. I should put trade as well, because this is in, and you'll find all the tracks here listed. From wow, look at that! It's been 2 months. It's been 2 months, so I am slacking. So I'm definitely gonna get back into it this year. And for example, the latest one that I had uploaded. Thank you, James. Thank you for the sub. And oh man, this is awesome. Let's see. Fishy just copies IPO market with yeah. Lion only makes clappers slappers. No blue pills needed, bro. Oh my god. I love it. Fishy's Adrian is a trip, man. For real. Kind of need to I need to figure out this whole Ortex thing, because apparently apparently I need to upgrade. Kind of sucks. Let's see what we got here. Morning note. Bitcoin ETFs see heavy outflows. Investors withdrew $583 million from US-based Bitcoin ETFs on Wednesday, marking the second largest outflow since their launch. The cryptocurrency's recent rally has stalled as risk appetite wanes, prompting investors to exit crypto-focused funds. Wow, so that is actually... Wow. How about that? Let's see. Los Angeles wildfires could be among costliest disasters, and that's not even among costliest. It's already the most costliest disaster so far this year alone, starting off the new year, and this is just devastating. But sweeping through Los Angeles, poising to become one of the most expensive natural disasters in histories, I would want to say, aside from hurricanes. JP Morgan estimates insured losses could reach 10 billion, if not, it already did reach $10 billion, putting significant strain on California's state insurance coverage program. Wow. Awesome sauce. I would have to... Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to upgrade here soon. Cause I mean, not for nothing, Ortex is it's a good app to look into, and to look at different things here, like short interest data, cost to borrow fees. What is the upgrade like? away. BK. Oh, Jesus. 29 a month. Oh, God. Sheesh. Oh, oh, wow. Paid annually at $948. Oh, gosh. So everything in basic plus life short interest is what it's what I look for. Ortex trading signals, options data and analysis, stock stamps, insider data and analysis, live order book. I mean, the only thing I would only be interested in is the live short interest, and that's it. But everything else here, corporate action data, peer currency, commodity, IPOs and deals, short interest extremes. Huh. It's $29 a month. Sheesh. So if I look at BNGO, the only thing I'm going to get from there is it's just overall like what I can get. Let's see. What we got here is free float shares, 99.83%, which is 101.82 million. Shares outstanding, 101.99 million. Form S3A Bionanogenomics. What was this about? Oh, I can actually archive it here. Let's see. Oh, this was filed with the SEC yesterday. Form S3A. Okay. I wonder. Okay. Oh, 50,555,556 shares of common stock. In May 2024. You know what? Let me do something real quick. I want to see. I'm curious about this. I'm gonna use good old ChatGPT for this. What does this indicate for the stock in basic terms? Help me out, Terminator. Okay, so GPT here says the document indicates that Bionanogenomics is filing a preliminary prospectus for the resale of 50,555,556 shares of common stock by certain selling security holders. Here's what this means in basic terms. Stock offering. So the company is allowing certain shareholders, referred to as selling security holders, to sell their shares to the public. These shares were initially issued as part of private placements and debt conversions. Number 2, dilution of risk. If these shares are sold, it increases the total number of shares in circulation, which may dilute the value of existing shares, and this could lead to a decrease in the stock price if demand does not increase proportionately. Number 3, debt conversion. Remember, this is all speculative, so I'm just taking this with a grain of salt. Debt conversion. So some of these shares come from converting outstanding debt into equity, meaning the company reduced its debt but issued more shares to do so. Number 4 is no new cash for the company. So the proceeds from selling these shares will go to the selling security holders, not the company. So this indicates that the company won't receive new funding directly from this offering. The market impact, the large number of shares being sold could put downward pressure on the stock price in the short term if there's not enough demand to absorb it. In summary, this suggests potential short-term headwinds for BNGO's stock due to dilution and selling pressure, though it's also a sign the company is addressing its debt obligations. What are the positive? What can come out of this in a positive way for the stock, and how would it benefit for just opinionated questions here. So let's see. So while the filing indicates potential dilution, there are a few ways this situation could have positive outcomes. So number 1 would be debt reduction and improved financial stability. The positive impact by converting debt into equity, the company reduces its outstanding liabilities, improving its balance sheet. This can make the company more attractive to investors who value financial stability. The benefit for BNGO would be lower debt levels, which can reduce interest expenses, freeing up cash for operations, R&D, or other growth initiatives, and this could enhance the company's long-term profitability and growth prospects. Number 2 is increased market liquidity. So the positive impact, the addition of 50 million plus million shares increases the total number of shares available to trade, potentially making the stock more liquid. Greater liquidity can attract institutional investors who prefer to invest in stocks with higher trading volumes. The benefit for BNGO is increased demand for larger investors, which could drive the stock price higher over time. Strengthened relationship with investors. So positive impact, successfully converting debt and negotiating with selling security holders demonstrates that the company can work collaboratively. Damn, I can't say that, man. Collaboratively with stakeholders. I'm so sorry. The benefit for BNGO is maintaining good investor relationship that can lead to more favorable financing opportunities in the future, such as easier access to capital for growth. Number 4 would be focus on core operations. So positive impact by addressing debt through equity rather than incurring more loans. The company can focus on its core business activities, such as advancing its genomic research and product development. The benefit for BNGO is that if the company used the improved financial position to innovate or expand, it could lead to breakthroughs that boosts revenue and investor confidence. Number 5, opportunity for shareholder confidence. The positive impact would be that if the market absorbs the additional shares without significant price declines, it could signal strong demand for the stock, potentially encouraging more investors to buy. Not financial advice. And the benefit would be for confidence in the company's ability to manage its finances and operations that could lead to a recovery or growth in the stock price. And number 6, potential for strategic initiatives. So the positive impact with improved cash flow and less financial burden, the company might be better positioned to pursue acquisitions, partnerships, or new product launches. And the benefit, such moves could create long-term value for shareholders and elevate the company's position in the genomics sector. How about that? Let's see. selling is slowing, which is a good sign. I think I saw BNGO had like a 15% short interest. If it breaks and closes below 19 cents, it's probably going to 8 cents. Oof. Oof. That's deep. I would like to see these quantum companies get into genetic coding and fix a lot of things before birth. Oof. Yeah. Wow. Ooh. Wasn't Kathy Woods in BNGO? Let's do a quick research here. BNGO, Kathy Woods. Oh, damn. Three years ago. Let's see. KathyZark.com. No, there's nothing on this website. Crispier. Crispier? I think it's... Oh no. Wow. I really hope that situation gets fixed with the power. I really, that really sucks. And I wish you could have joined us too as well, but oh man, this really sucks. Keep me posted, Zelly, and much love to you. Be safe, and happy Friday too as well tomorrow. So thank you, love you, and we'll talk later. Jesus Christ, that popping sound. Let's see. Let's see. 1 second here. Bingo can run all the genetic testing as opposed to running them. Let's see, what is one potential catalyst that BNGO could deliver to make the stock run? Lord, this is a lot of information. So one potential catalyst that could make BNGO stock run is the release of groundbreaking data or advancements Sorry, it was pretty loud. I had to cut the mic off for a little bit. Sorry. So one potential catalyst that can make BNGO theoretically run is the release of groundbreaking data or advancements related to its optical genome mapping technology, such as its Sapphire system. Why this could be a catalyst? Validation of technology. If BNGO can demonstrate significant adoption of its Sapphire system in clinical or research settings, or if new studies show its superiority over traditional genomic sequencing methods, it could attract attention from investors, researchers, and institutions. Regulatory approval or progress. Securing FDA approval or achieving other regulatory milestones for using the Sapphire system in clinical diagnostics would solidify its value proposition and open up new revenue streams. Number 3, partnerships or collaborations. Announcing a major partnership with a pharmaceutical company, research institution, or diagnostic lab could boost credibility and bring its significant revenue or licensing opportunities. Number 4, large-scale adoption contracts. Signing a large contract with a government, healthcare system, or large institution for deploying Sapphire could signal widespread acceptance of their technology. And number 5, market expansion. So if BNGO expands its products and services into new markets or regions, especially in high-growth areas like Asia Pacific, this could generate excitement about future revenue growth. So for example of a specific catalyst, here it says a high-profile peer-reviewed study demonstrating how Sapphire outperforms existing genomic technologies in diagnosing genetic diseases, detecting structural variants, or enabling personalized medicine could rapidly increase investor confidence. And this would position BNGO as a leader in the genomics space, driving both interest and the stock price. Let's see. Let's just put this in there. Could BNGO work with a quantum computing company in order to to speed up this speed up in order to work with Sapphire, I'm gonna spell this right, and outperform successfully. Let's see this. Did I spell Sapphire wrong? No, I didn't. So look at this. Again, speculation here. We're being theoretical here, not financial advice, all right? But I said, well, I took your statement, James, and then I put it in a question. I said, could BNGO work with a quantum computing company in order to work with Sapphire and outperform successfully? And it said, yes, Bionanogenomics could potentially collaborate with a quantum computing company to enhance its Sapphire system and outperform competitors. And here's how and why such a collaboration could work. So here, how quantum computing could benefit BNGO's Sapphire technology. Number 1 would be accelerating data analysis. Sapphire generates massive amounts of genomic data that need to be processed and analyzed efficiently. Quantum computing could enable faster analysis of complex structural variations in the genome compared to classic computing methods. The outcome, this would drastically reduce the time required for diagnostics, making Sapphire even more attractive for clinical and research applications. Number 2 is improving accuracy and insights. Quantum algorithms excel at pattern recognition and optimization, and they could be used to enhance the detection of subtle genomic structural variations, improving the accuracy and resolution of Sapphire's outputs. The outcome: enhanced accuracy could position Sapphire as the gold standard. That's huge. For genome mapping, increasing adoption in medical and research fields. Number 3, scaling genomic research. As genomics scales globally, the data generated from sequencing large populations, for example, for precision medicine initiatives, becomes overwhelming. Quantum computing can handle large data sets more efficiently, making Sapphire scalable for projects involving millions of genomes. The outcome: this would help BNGO expand its market share in large-scale genomic projects. And number 4, developing new applications. Quantum computing could open up new applications for Sapphire, such as predicting complex genetic diseases, optimizing drug development pipelines, or enabling real-time genomic diagnostics. And the outcome is that these advancements would increase the relevance and versatility of BNGO's technology. So why a partnership with quantum companies makes sense. And how ironic is this, because we had just been talking about these 3 stocks, and maybe, just maybe, ChatGPT is listening to my computer, which wouldn't be surprising to me. And there's certain things that was saved in memory. So we're gonna read this, and after this we're gonna go ahead and look at a few other things, and then we're gonna end the night off with that. But number 1, complementary expertise. So it says here, quantum computing companies, for example, D-Wave, QBTS, IONQ, or Rigetti, bring cutting-edge computation power, while BNGO specializes in genomic analysis. A collaboration could integrate these strengths for mutual benefit. Number 2, competitive edge. Partnering with a quantum leader could give BNGO an edge over competitors like Illumina or PacBio, who may not yet leverage quantum computing in their workflows. And number 3, potential for breakthroughs. The combination of quantum computing and optical genome mapping could unlock insights in genomics that were previously impossible, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. Here are the challenges in feasibility. 1 is early stage technology. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, and practical applications are being developed. Collaboration would require significant R&D investment and time. And number 2, cost and accessibility. Quantum computing is expensive, and BNGO would need to ensure that these costs don't outweigh the benefits or make their products unaffordable for end users. So the conclusion that it gives here is that a collaboration with a quantum computing company could potentially revolutionize BNGO's Sapphire system by making it faster, more accurate, and scalable for larger applications. And this would not only set BNGO apart from competitors, but also position the company as a leader in next generation genomics. If BNGO were to announce such a partnership or investment, it would likely act as a major catalyst for the stock, driving investor interest and long-term growth potential, not financial advice. And you heard it here first. And with the help of ChatGPT as well, and the help with you guys, James, Adrian, Zelly, and everybody else. This is what we have right now. Lewis from Austin, Texas. Howdy. That is exactly who you're listening to right now. What a great way to end the stream by listening to your future president, the one and only Donald Trump, and what a great American company, genomics, only made in America, made in USA. What a great way to bring this and help Americans feel healthy again. How about that? How about that? That sounds great. It sounds wonderful, and can't wait to see what BNGO has in store. If this collaboration happens, I would totally get in. Not financial advice. But thank you each and everyone for contributing and helping out, and I love the vibes. I really do love the vibes. Keep it up, and the president will reward you greatly, and not like anybody else. Quite frankly, they suck, but we rule. How bigly could this channel grow? Let me tell you, quite big, quite great. Yeah, I can't. but let's see. Because I am curious. We're gonna check real quick. I will actually. Wait, can I? Wait, actually, give me 1 second. Oh, I used the screenshot, so I cannot share this via link, but I will screenshot this, and I will add it to the ChatGPT conversations on Discord, so we can be able to take we can keep record of these conversations with GPT, and we'll see if it actually does come into fruition, because that would be bigly fantastic, wonderful, outstanding. I mean, I can go on and on, but in a way benefit us in the long term, and make us a lot of money. We're gonna be rich, and this is the only way we're gonna do it. Very awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and take screenshots of this, and I'm gonna send it to the Discord. And so from there, again, do your research. Take this with a grain of salt, all right? Because anything can happen, but manifest greatly. Put it out in the universe, because this could happen. And only with me in office, it will happen. Can't be stopped. even bigger than the state of Canada and the state of Greenland. We're all American, no matter what. So, but in all seriousness, not financial advice, but it is also in a way to help humanity, and bringing companies like that out there, making a difference in this world, which it's hard to do because there's just a lot of people that just don't want to see these companies out there performing and making a difference in people's lives, and shorting the living crap out of these stocks. It's very unfortunate, but one day that will all change, and we will have companies like BNGO potentially, and others out there that are willing to help out and benefit and profit and all of the above. So that is your analysis. Just to quickly check on USIO, we'll talk in another time. we'll talk in another time. But just to go over how this is looking like right now, all right? We do see that there was activity here. Let's go ahead and let me look at it from the daily, all right? So, not gonna lie, it looks a little scary. Quite frankly, I was looking at it. I'm like, wow, that's a lot of bearish candles to the downside. Broke below the 50-day moving average. Is this a 50-day or is SMA? And is trying to come back to those levels there at around 20 cents. The lowest that it can go, it depends on the situation here, and especially with what we were just reading about these 50 million shares of common stock. I want to say we would probably gonna have to wait until tomorrow to see what kind of volume activity will come into this BNGO. Again, do your own due diligence and research. But I just want to see here as we get into the lower time frames, how does this look like here? I'll look at this 6 hours. Now the 6 hour chart here, very interesting. How we have the relative trend index line bouncing back up and perhaps trying to retest this 50-day period moving average line. And so if this is the case scenario, then we would see that breakout and we'll probably come back over 25, 26 cents, depending on what the volume looks like. BINGO, BINGO. And you can see it here a lot more defined here on the 4 hour chart where you see that bounce. And much more looking like an uptrend here. So that's what we need to see from BINGO and bingo. What's its name, Mo? The 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour here. The last 4 hourly candles was bullish. So we would need to see obviously a comeback here. We need to see bingo clap the shorts back into the abyss. 333, 90. The 90 minute. I like how the 90 minute looks like here, but it just needs to turn back around. 69 is the number that I like. 69 is the number that I like. I actually need to the ADX. The ADX, I need to wait for you know what? Let me see. Let me look for it right now. ADX. I gotta find out if this was the ADX that I was using before. No, that's not it. MACD RSI ADX strategy. That's not it. Moving average ADX. That's not it. There was, I think it was ADX and divergence. ADX and divergence with SMA. No. Man, there was one in particular that was so good. I really need to find out what it is again. But let's go ahead and try this one and see how that looks like. Oh, the ADX is in the green. But it doesn't really tell me. Let's see. The divergence. The length. The ADX line. Okay, so the ADX line is it's that black line there. So the ADX line is diverging. It's going down a bit, but the divergence is still bullish. The clouds is actually the Bollinger Bands. So you can clearly see it here. For example, when it comes down and the Bollinger Band, the red line, the lower band, dropping very heavy, while the higher band slightly goes up. But if it's the opposite direction, let's see. We can go and use this as an example. Let's see. I need to look for a move to the upside. 420-ish straight green clouds. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. I think I need to use another one, because this one is not really it's not cutting out for me. So the MACD, no, the MACD, that's I don't have that there. I actually don't have it there. Darn it. Which one is the trend? I need to. No. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, man? Where is it, man? I can't find it, man. Can't find it, man. Whoa, Zelly coming out with information. Oh, was it this one here? Wait, I need this. I need this one right here. The CMDI plus minus. Directional movement index plus ADX and hold on, let me see this one. CMDI. CMDI. No, hold on. I need this. CMDI plus minus. That's it. I think that has to be the one. Hold on. I want to say it's kind of similar. So if I go ahead and say, if we just pick out a random MACD, I'll probably just do a regular MACD here. Here. I want to say, darn it. Let me actually, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. Well, all I know is that this actually helps. This actually helps indicate the trend in momentum and where it's moving. And I know that when this is the case scenario and you have the line here peak out, the red line, come down, and then the green line at the bottom do the exact opposite and start to inverse and cross each other, you got the background turning green, and as that happens, then now you see the green line moving up and the red line moving down the opposite direction, and this would be bullish momentum and everything converging. So you'd see upside there. But in the long term, let's see, it does show, yeah. So it does show that it's just about to like find the bottom here in the MACD. At the same time, the red line here on the 4-hour chart is flat, and the green line is also trying to go flat. And if it starts to move back up again, and then the red line starts to move down, pretty much in this scenario here, see this scenario? That's a great example. As long as this happens again here, and then all this starts to move down, as so, then that is your indication that the stock is gonna move back up once again. Yeah, you gotta love Google for sure, but I really want that ADX back again. I really need to find that ADX because that really helped a lot. All right, so I'm not giving up until I find that ADX indicator before I end the stream. It's 11 o'clock. You see a cup and handle? Hell yeah! Let's give it up for Zelly for dropping that knowledge. Let's go. Intelligence is real. Let's see. I know it was ADX DI. I know it was this. It's gotta be this. I know it. Fill indicates strong trend. Cross indicates end of trend. El relleno indica una fuerte tendencia cuando el divergence supera level trend. El cruce de D plus con el D negativo indica el fin de la tendencia. Cuando el valor de ADX es menor a level range, estamos en rango. Limpie un poco el código, cambie las alertas, ahora son etiquetas dinámicas. If any of my indicators were useful, you can buy me a beer. Si algunos de mis indicadores te fue útil, puedes comprarme una cerveza. Una cerveza, por favor. Let's go ahead and let me see this one here. En esta mesa, un bolero, por favor. Toca un bolero y olvidar a la mujer que tanto quiero. Y no te cambias, seguir cantinero, traicionero. Una cerveza, por favor, una cerveza. Que hoy me quiero emborrachar en esta mesa. Una cerveza, por favor, una cerveza. Y hoy me quiero emborrachar en esta mesa. Y no me canso de seguirme cantinero, traicionero. Una cerveza, por favor, una cerveza. Que hoy me quiero emborrachar en esta mesa. Una cerveza, por favor, una cerveza. Y hoy me quiero echar en esta fiesta. En esta mesa. Zelly, if there's any way possible, if you can look for me the author of that ADX, please and thank you, because I really miss using that ADX, and that's the same ADX that Adrian was talking about before. Por favor. Por favor, por favor, por favor, por favor, mi amor, ayúdame a conseguir ese ADX que me gusta tanto, que me gusta tanto así. As a matter of fact,
Oye, pero
huh?
que quieren juramentar de que como será que el abusador ese de
Abusador,
y el
abusador,
otro
abusador.
que el otro es el verdadero.
I would line, but EG tucked up my account. How is EG and Johnny?
Ellos dijeron
I haven't heard
presidente es el otro.
from Eric and Johnny. Eric did come on to the stream early this morning, I believe, but Johnny I haven't seen all day. And I know he was feeling under the weather, but
Lograron sacarlo de ahí.
yeah, I really don't know what happened.
Lograron sacarlo de ahí.
We can try to
Mira eso. Oh my God, roban $25,000. Oh my.
Mama Lona.
Oh, a golpe de martillo rompieron la ventana.
Oh shoot. Instagram?
Ok, 4 días después regresaron. Ay, hijo de puta. Te apuesto que son todos estos hijos de puta que están aquí. Ah, bueno, Kevin, yo tengo derecho de hablar. Lo siento.
Let me see something here. So no, you even know the effery, the just. I'm telling you, man. None of this is natural whatsoever. It was made by design. This was made to. I can't even. I can't even. It just boils me up so bad. I wish I knew. I really wish I knew.
Hablando de que de más cosas de que de vivienda.
It's like it's too deep. I wonder because the cost of borrow fee was at 13 is actually going to be at 13.20% for BNGO tomorrow. But it was actually high today. As a matter of fact, it was a lot higher a few days ago on the 7th, on Tuesday, at a max of 38.61%. Give me 1 second. That is, man. And 2 hours ago, hold on, let me just refresh just in case. Yeah, so 5 minutes ago, last update. 2 hours ago, let me see something. Oh, the last timestamp here was at 2 in the morning. Well, no, actually no. Oh no, this is gonna be for 2:05 in the morning tomorrow, and there will only be 150,000 shares, short shares available, and they're running out. Before that, 15 hours ago, it was at 2,500,000. So I'm actually quite surprised about that. Something is brewing. And what happened on the 7th? Well, I mean, it was pretty much on the decline here from the 3rd, when it went as high as 38 cents. And on the 7th, it was at around 29 cents and then dropped to 26, then 25. Excuse me, then 25. Pretty much closing at 27 cents before dropping back down to 21. Oh, what the? Huh? No. You serious? No. No. Alright, I'm actually curious now. I am curious to know. Let's see. SPY is still 587. 587.80. Lord. BNGO. Oh. BNGO. Options. Not the closer to expiration, that's for sure. I wouldn't want to do that. Oh, these are puts. Oh, here we go. May 5. Ooh, my gosh. Why do I feel so? February, it's 43 days. 43 days. Delta is not that high, but the May 16 contracts, that delta looks juicy. I mean, the ones for August looks even way more juicier, and it's the same price. Actually, no, it closed at 15 here, 10 here. Shoot, I'd still go for this one, and if that's the case. NFA, by the way. Oh my god, I'm so tempted. So tempted. Ribeyes. Oh shoot, that sounds good as hell. Hmm. Oh, wait a minute. I might. This might work now. Hold on. ADX and DI. No. ADX and DI. No. It's not this one. SMA. Nope. This one. Nope. This one. Nope. This one. Wait, it might be. It might be. Could be. No, because it says ADX and DI with color histogram cells, so it might not be this one. We'll put it up though. 4. What's version? Version 4. This one? I know. No. It's not it. I had it. I actually had it though. I can't seem to find it. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, that looks crazy. Hold on. That looks crazy. Let me see this one here. That looks insane. Okay, let me see this. This might just help. ADX and DI. Thank you, Zelly. Thank you very much. Let's see this. This actually codes. This actually colors in This actually colors in the candles, but I don't like that. So I usually just cut that off. Then for the bars, I like area. I like the area a lot more. The only thing is I can't even tell. It's gonna take me a while, so I need to actually zoom in. All right, I think I know. Plots background. Huh? Oh, okay, maybe that. We'll see about that. That's not it. Okay, that's it right there. So I need to take this. No, that's fine. It's this one I need to change to this. No. No, 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 no. Este.
¿Cómo se?
Um.
Oh, ya está de negativo.
Switch. This will be neutral. I don't know. I'm trying to see here and I can't. The rest is fine, but no.
Yo vi una cosa muy linda en Messi. Tenía
Mm.
65%.
No.
Un anillo, pero qué cosa que está linda.
Damn, why is this so difficult?
Pero con el 65% me salía mil y pico. Oro 14. Con la línea arriba, montar como de.
Nah, this doesn't make any sense, man.
Está lindo, raro.
This doesn't make any sense.
Otro lado de
It makes no sense, man.
que pusieron ahí. Esas son cosas puestas que ellos rentan. Para ellos vender su. Sí, para ellos vender su cosa.
That's fine.
Como va tanta gente ahí a Messi.
What I'll do is just change the line.
Porque mira, todas esas vendedoras que están ahí, la mayoría son todas.
It's a red.
Yo le digo China a todas.
No,
No sé si hablan coreano.
Chino.
Chino. Dice que no es chino.
¿Cómo tú sabes? How do you know? J-O-B.
Oye, pero ¿cómo le rodearon el culo a los azules?
G group.
Estaba
Oh,
reñido ese juego.
what is that all about?
Quedaron 9
Well,
a 9. Pero tú, no, pero tú te, pero espérate una cosa. Tú te diste de cuenta que quien fue a tirar fue Viviana y fue la estúpida esta de Guajaldo. Y entonces Guajaldo que se hizo enferma y entonces quien fue a tirar fue el perro flaco ese de Jepiel. A mí no me gustó ese jueguito porque a mí me da que eso fue de maldad, a propósito. Y no dijeron nada de eso. No dijeron nada de eso.
J-O-B.
¿Y por qué? ¿Y por qué? Ajá, ¿y por qué? ¿Para qué te tirara así? Pero ¿por qué el pendejo este no se dio de cuenta de eso? Que no hablamos de eso. Nada, eso para que tú veas. Y yo, si ponen algo ahí, pero voy a poner, a mí no me gustó esa acción. Para mí fue un trique que hizo la Guajardo esa para ganar.
Let me go ahead and just look at JLB here. Thank you, Michael. It says 0 days to cover. What is this? They loaded a crap ton of shares. Ever since the huge pop it had. How long? From a low of 20 cents to a high of 50 cents and just got dropped back down. But yeah, this thing is loaded with short shares, so it might be a little surprised. But zero debt and 20.8 million in cash with book value of 77 cents, which announced buying another staffing company. Oof. Well, we'll keep that on the watch list. We'll keep track. And this, and that, and this, and this. JOB. Shares float 97.35 million shares. Market cap of 25.99 million. 4 hours. 4 hours looking for another pop right there. 1 second here. 1 second. What? Huh? Where? Doesn't even... Oh, it doesn't even show me. Okay. The 1 hour looks like it wants to rebound from here. Wow. At 19 cents, where major support should be, and insiders buying up at 38 cents. And many bought over 60 cents. The other company will give growth being in Atlanta, Georgia. It does have a solid. It does have a solid. How do you? Yeah, I can't even think. The setup is solid. And you could see here the ADX. The ADX here it's expanding. You got the green line moving up, the red line moving down slightly. So that could be definitely in the works for that breakout. Here the relative trend strength. Oh my God! Even this could further confirm that breakout potential. So I think we're gonna definitely keep an eye on this on JOB. I'll have an alert set up for 26, an alert set up for 30 cents, and perhaps maybe 36 cents in case. So if we see a move up past 24 cents, that could be a good alert there for some action to start. Thank you, Michael, for that for sharing JOB with us. Hopefully everything is okay with you, and that you're trying to find ways to relieve the pain that you've been having in your lower back for some time, and yeah, just hang in there. I'm wishing you all the best for the new year, and that we see all those gains come in for us sooner than later. I would love to see it sooner than later for all of us to be able to benefit from all this information, for sure. What stocks benefit from disasters like in LA? Oh, so you know what? Let's speculate on that. What stocks? Oh shoot. Okay, that's actually all right. So I'm gonna. All right, so Fishy. Sorry. So Adrian, I'm gonna actually post that. I'm gonna post that in the Discord, on the Chat GPT conversation chat, and you will see. All due respect, yes, for all due respect, and it's something that I wish wasn't the case, but but with all due respect, not financial advice. We're going to let's just call it a night. Let's all take some rest. Michael as well, take some rest. Everybody, James, Fishy, Adrian, Zelly, Chris, Pavetta, Crispy, Kenneth. Again, thank you for the gifted, and congrats to Splendid Things for getting a membership. And Moistly, Asalana of all Gislets, and we're gonna see what happens tomorrow, and we're gonna keep an eye on those specific stocks that we talked about earlier. So thank you to everyone. Much love you all. James and Fishy, once again, thank you for joining me in the voice chat. That was awesome, and looking forward to more chats on the voice call in the future, down the road, later on. And you guys have a great night. Sweet dreams. Manifest for the spy crash tomorrow. for the Jimmy Carter effect. And a happy Friday for everybody. Please be safe wherever you are. Fishy, you too as well. Shout out to Eric, Johnny, and Mark R, who is in California. So I really hope that you guys are safe. And when you hear this, that we're thinking about you. And please be safe. Anyways, all of this that was said in the stream and in the chat was just strictly in our opinion, not financial advice. Anything and everything is within your decision to make in your investments. Do your own DD. Do your own research. On top of that, we'll see what happens with GME tomorrow. And if not, there's always next week. Speaking of GME, we can go ahead and manifest for some rockets for GME and Amy. They really need it during these times. So let's give it for them and hope to see some type of explosion. Cause Jimmy's looking hungry and he needs a little pop, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, once again, thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow morning again. Another edition of the stream in the Lion's Den with yours truly, Lion of All Trades. Have a great night. Have a safe night. And take care. Rockets in slow-mo. Peace out.